So we are another place, another park today. Let's check what they have. It is in Boca Raton. And has a lot of activity here, volleyball and other things. It seems like it has a water park too. So the nature center, it is in this way, called the Daggerwing Nature Center. So we're gonna go over there, check the zone. So let's see, guys. It's pretty nice here. There's a lot of nature space, and as this guy saw, has other things going. Okay, let's see.
That was a playground.
No, it's not playground, but we're gonna check. Come on here. Come on, babies. Let's see what they have. Okay, it's interesting, you know. It's called Daggerwing Nature Center. Look, it has a lot of butterflies. Come on, come on. Let's check. It doesn't really hurt to look, okay? They are open. So where they are open? Look at my silly me. Hey, look at this. There's a place for you guys to play. Come on. Come on. Hey, how are you? Oh, look at this. It's a little... Now, it's the first time. Oh, I know you guys close for 30, right? So we have... What else do we have here? This is the center. Ladybug, yeah, you can move them around. Here, you can move them around. Oh, you don't want to put it there in the spider. The spider gonna eat her. Oh, we're back to the place. Look at here. Wow, guys, it's so... What? Can you put it over there, Leya, for her? Look at this, guys. It's so nice here. What? So it does have a little discovery center. Talking about, oh my god, talking about the area. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That is really interesting. What is scared? Look at here, the turtle. Miss Turtle. Look at this. Look at this. It has a bunch of nice things here. I'm impressed. I could not imagine that they have such a nice corner. I'm gonna go here. Look at the crocodile here. Oh my goodness. Some animals here, guys. Can't believe it. Look at this. A little turtle. And look at here, guys. What is this? You can go up here. It's a nice
Alligator?
Yeah, Mrs. Alligator. Or Mr. Nibbles.
Can I go with
Yes, come on, Leia, go down so Valkyria can go up. Sharing, okay? Look at Mrs. Nibbles. What is that? What happened? What did it move? What is it move? Like the house. I don't get it. Oh, Jesus. You scared me. Look, must have a frog in each other. And then, has another animals here. Has the eagles. There's a lot of information. Show the conservatory station. Show all the information about the changes in nature, habitat, pollution. Yes, and all the things too. It is a little frog. The green tree frog. Oh, I don't know what it is. The green tree frog. Where are you, green tree frog? Well, we're gonna find her. I think he's sleeping. It's not here, but I can show you. Look at here, guys. Can I take a picture of you guys here in front of this? Please? Can I? I guess not. I'm a picture person, so I love to take pictures. Look at this here. What? Do it again. Wow, she's so bright. You light her. You like her head, you like her thorax and the abdomen. That's her head, thorax, abdomen. It's really. Look, you guys. Can I take a picture now of you both over here? You see here in the middle? Come on, go there. Go there, Kia. I'm waiting for you. Oh yeah, alright, they're my babies. Let's go around here. Then we can go play. Oh yeah. Look. Oh. Yes, it didn't make it hard. Then what they have? They have those animals, okay? Let's call this one animals. They have the bobcat, the raccoon. They have a lot of those animals. Unfortunately, we are not preserved like nature like supposed to. So I hope the new generation know what they're doing. Oh my God, look at this guy. Oh. Can you see it? Oh. Ow, sorry. Ow. Can you see it? All the way in the top. Can you see the owl?
Is it a girl?
It is a girl. Come on. Come on here. Yeah, she's so by herself over there. Oh my God, there's an alligator over here. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a little dark, but it's a little alligator that has some kind of. So. Okay, I press the mirror, press the light. 1, 2, 3, together. What? Come on, guys. Let's go play over there before they close. We're gonna close in here in 30 minutes. So, that was nice, right? You like it? Yup. 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 Cogumelos that grows in the tree. Interesting things. Yeah, you can play over that too if you wanna. That's very interesting. There's a meeting room here. Very, very, very nice, Nick. Yes, go over there. Yes, they had fun. Oh my goodness. Guys, there's something here. Oh my God, Miss Muffins. Valeria Valkyria has something else here. Has a possum. Possum sleeping. He's over there. Can you see it? Oh my God, so Possum sleeping.
A big covered one?
Yeah. And should I have something here? A snake here. She's sleeping over there too. And I have something else here. For toys. Yeah. Here, you don't need me. Can you see? Here, Vaqueira, from here. From here you can see it. You see? Oh my God! He woke up! Mr. Muffins. The snake is here, baby. You don't need to go all the way. Look here. Go down. Look through here. You see? Can you see here? Look here. Boop, boop. Can you see it? This is sleeping.
She's sleeping.
No, this one's not sleeping. Look at here. Hello. Hello, Leya. Oh, look here. Hello.
Whoa, it's big.
It's coming. It's coming. Hello. He's gonna go back to sleep. I'm gonna go inside my spot. I'm gonna stay here. Okay, go. Let's go eat real quick and play before the close. I have a little book nook here. Food gift shop. And we have this little corner with the books and a lot of things that the kids can do here. It's not cost. Probably some donation every time, but it's not cost. It's really good. And the park itself is really big. It's the one in the lecture center. Mommy knows. Mommy doing. Yeah, mommy knows. There's a little, okay. Can't have a lot of space. Come on, guys. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Take your time. There's a lot of space. Green space. Come on here. Come close.